6.08.
Oh no.
That's Enea Bastianini, our opening Grand Prix winner, our World Championship leader. Thankfully, it looks like he's okay. That's the umpteenth.
It looks like a fast one.
It did, didn't it? Yeah, it looked like a fast one. Where's this then?
Front.
Yeah, it was unsettled, wasn't it? Thankfully, he splits away from this. Wasn't it? Thankfully, splits away from the bike pretty quickly. I guess he's probably... what's been a really intriguing session. Down to Marc Marquez. Marc Marquez is down. Marc Marquez is down.
It's another fast one too, Matt.
He is on his feet. Turn 11. Oof.
That's fast, all right.
Oh, a couple of... Well, three.
Washing machine treatment in the gravel. It's fast, all right.
Oh, couple of... Whoa.
Washing machine treatment in the gravel.
Yeah, 3 or 4.
I think he's going to be fine.
Where is he? Trying to pick him up. Well, he was way down.
The other thing that happens, Matt, is when you put a grip